Hello, my name is Ralf Straaberg and I am the owner of Strain Media, and you are here on my YouTube channel. This is my very first video, so I'm very excited and I'm very pleased to see you here. If you like my content later on, you are welcome to subscribe to my channel, but before you do all this, maybe you want to know a little bit about who I am and what can you expect if you join me here on my YouTube channel. I will be talking to you about how you can start your own business. I will talk to you about affiliate marketing, how you can use affiliate marketing to grow a sustainable business. I will also talk to you about mindset, business coaching. I will do this because where most people go wrong is that they do not have the right mindset. They do not have any coaching. They don't have anybody supporting them. They jump into this, expect quick results, and they get nothing like they wanted, so they quit. And many times people don't get the results they want because they quit too soon. They think that going in, starting an online business is a get rich quick fix, and it's not. It's hard work. It's not passive income like some people say. It's not like you wake up one morning and $10,000 are in your bank account. This is not how it works. You have to do a lot of hard work, and then you automate a lot of your things, and that way people will have money come into their bank accounts. This is how it works. It's affiliate marketing. So I will have videos about what is affiliate marketing, how can you start an affiliate marketing business, and all this will be coming up on my video channel shortly. So keep looking, subscribe if you want to know about how you can do all this. I will also make videos about the mindset thing, like I tell you about, how you can be better at managing your time and how you can work towards a goal without having all the distractions you have now, what you need to do to go from point A to point B, because right now you are maybe in a job you don't like, maybe you are without a job and you want to find how can you make an income, or you have a job you actually like but you cannot make ends meet. You need to make a little extra on the side, and affiliate marketing is good for all these things. You can use it for full-time income, you can have it as a side income, you can do it any way you like, but you have to put in work for this to work for you. So this is how it is. No easy way, no quick fix. It's hard work from day one, and if you don't put in any work, you don't get any result. Sad but true. This is how it is. And I will also make up some videos about how you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can get traffic to your website, to your YouTube channel, to your Facebook groups, how you can be a success, everything you need to know. I will be making videos about what software you can use, how you can be the best version of you, and how you can get the success you need to grow from day one. Because what's most important to me is that you will feel like a success, that when you take steps to do this, if you say, now I want this, now I'm committed, I am ready to start my own business, I'm ready to go out there into the world and say, hello, here I am, and let's rock this. Because this can be one heck of a ride, and you will want to get along, and everybody can do this. It's not limited to young people 18 to 25. No matter what age you are, you can do this. You can jump into this. You can start your YouTube channel. You can start your online business today, and you are good to go. Some people think that I'm too old, I cannot start this, it's only for young people. It's not true. You can do it. Age has nothing to do with this. And many things are not so complex as you would think they are. You maybe see, how can I build this website? How can I make this? How can I do this? All these things I will get into here on my channel. How you can use software that helps you grow, how it helps you make sales funnels. And right now, maybe some of the words I use are not something you are familiar with, but you will get into this business and you will know what I talk about in future videos. But right now, what is important for you to know is that I'm here. I'm here to help you. This is my first video. We are going live and it's happening, and it can happen to you also. So follow me here. Click like, click subscribe. And if you have any questions, something you say what could be interesting to know, you're welcome to put a comment downstairs in the comment field, and I'll be happy to reply to you. And if you have any specific things that you are struggling with right now, if you're just starting out in affiliate marketing or having some mindset problems, you need coaching, anything like this, you're welcome to talk to me about this also, and we can get into how I can help you. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Happy to see you, and have a nice day.